How to use the camera and video recorder on the iPad Mini Retina. Tap the camera icon, tap the screen to focus, and you can also pinch in and out to zoom or zoom out. Tap the switch camera icon on the top to switch between the forward-facing and rear-facing cameras. Tap HDR to turn it on and off. Here we can see two photos, one with HDR and one without. You can also tap and hold the shutter for continuous shooting mode. Tap the gallery icon to enter the gallery and see your photos. If you slide left or right or up or down, depending on how you're orienting the camera, you can switch between video mode, camera mode, and square camera mode. When recording, you can also pinch to zoom in and out. You can hit stop to stop recording. Please leave a comment in the section below. Thank you.